Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a unboxing here. Mirage Luxury Travel reached out to me and asked if they could send something over, and I said, yeah, sure, why not? So let's open this up. I did not pay for this, so I'll mark the video as a paid promotion. Hopefully I didn't cut into anything too important in here. So let's see what this is. I really have no idea what it is. I'm assuming it's some kind of a watch travel pouch roll thing. I don't know. So let's see. Watch travel case for me, maybe men, I don't know. Espresso brown Mirage, and it's new. So yeah, let's check it out. So where do I want to cut this? I'll just use my pocket knife. Sometimes it's a little easier just to come along the tape edge here. It's Ken Onion Ripple. I've had it for 10 years, I would guess. Nice packaging here. This box is nicer than what some watches come in. And then a nice little bag here with it. See, Share to Win. Looks like a microfiber cloth. Not sure exactly what this is. Information here. So anyway, let's put that back in here. Real nice presentation here. All right, let's zoom in. So it looks like a two watch roll here. So it looks like it'll work out quite well here. I typically don't travel with too many watches. I don't really travel that much anyway, but usually I just wear my, I wear my SKX here. It's kind of my vacation watch. I had this watch for 10 years at least as well. So let's put it in the watch roll here and see how it works. So I have a 6.5-inch wrist, so of course my watches are sized for a 6.5-inch wrist. Some of the other watch boxes I have, I almost feel like I'm really stretching the bracelet when I put it on the rolls, but this one has a lot of give to it, nice and soft, so it fits in there pretty well. Let's zoom out a little bit, and we'll put the Submariner in here. So yeah, these are two watches I'm not planning on ever selling. This one, like I said, I had for a long time, really worn it a lot, and this is my first Rolex, and really not planning on selling it either. Wanted a Rolex for a long time, and finally was able to purchase one. So, you know, I don't know enough about leather goods to know if this is actual genuine leather or not. It feels nice and soft on the inside, and I think will do a good job of protecting your watches. It says handmade with a heart, so I'm guessing it means handmade with love. Let's take a quick look at this microfiber cloth and get it open quickly. So yeah, this will do the trick for wiping off your watches. Stick it in there if you want. Let's see if I can find a little more information on the material here. Okay, I just took a moment to read this here. That was the box for the case I just dropped. Anyway, right here, watch case meticulously handcrafted and made of premium grade PU leather, as smooth as full grain leather with fine accent stitching. Soft touch velvet interior. And if you want to read the rest of this, you can pause the video. I won't read all of it out here. But this is nice here that it has a flat base, so this isn't going to roll away on you. And yeah, very nice. All right, let's zoom back out here. And I think that will do it for this unboxing video here. So let me know what you think of this case. Let me know if you guys use these cases when you travel, or if you take more than one watch if you travel anywhere. I typically don't. I'm always afraid of losing one. But like I said, normally just wear my SKX. So let's get this guy back on the wrist. I have been enjoying this watch. Actually, I don't know if you can see or not, but it does have a scratch on it, on the clasp, and then a little bit of micro swirls on it. Really not sure how I did that, but you know, whatever. Wear a watch, you get scratched. So anyway, if you have not subscribed yet, I'd appreciate it if you go ahead and do so. Like the video if you've liked it, and leave a comment below. As always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.